Adarsh.
Hello everyone.
How are you, Betu?
I am fine, thank you.
Are you ready for English grammar?
Yes, I am ready.
Let's start.
Yes.
Appear,
Disappear.
above,
Below.
accept,
Reject.
agree,
Disagree.
ancient,
Modern.
defense,
Defense. Attack.
bad,
Good.
beginning,
And
beneficial,
harmful.
okay, best,
Worst.
blunt,
Sharp.
bottom,
Top.
happy,
Unhappy.
heaven,
Hell.
junior,
Senior.
leader,
Follower.
long,
Short.
logical,
Illogical.
legal,
Illegal.
literate,
Illiterate.
love.
Love.
If you love somebody,
Hate.
yeah. Masculine,
Feminine.
okay. Loose,
Loose. Tight.
ओके. अंत में आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे अपने व्यूवर्स को?
Thank you for watching our video. Like, subscribe, share. Thank you.